Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make 5 types of grave headstone markers with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. For a simple headstone, start with a 6x8 plate. I'm going to place a 2x4 45-degree slope right here. Now if you choose, you can put a sticker on the front with some names on it. Then we're going to place a 1x2 plate followed by a 1x4 by 2/3 plate with bow. For our next headstone, take a 6x8 plate. I'm going to place a set of 1x2 bricks with inverted arch. Place these here, followed by a 1x2 brick and a 1x2 45-degree ridge slope. For the next headstone, we're going to take a set of 2x2 outside corner double 45-degree slopes. Place these as shown. And on here, I'm going to place a 1x2x2 column brick. That right there could be reserved for a memorial placard, followed by a 1x2 triple 45-degree slope for the top of this headstone. For the next headstone, I'm going to use brick yellow. So let's take a set of 1x3 plate with 2 studs or jumper plates. Place these here, followed by a 1x5 plate. This is going to give us a nice offset. Right here, a 1x1 brick, followed by a 1x3 brick. And that's left there, if you want to put a label on that, followed by a 1x1 brick. I'm going to place a 1x3 plate right on top of the 1x3 brick. And I'm going to take a set of 1x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. Place these here to round up the top portion of our headstone, followed by a 1x1 by 2/3 plate with bow. For our last headstone, we're going to take a 6x8 plate. I'm going to take a 1x2 half round flat tile, place this right here, followed by a set of 1x2 jumper plates. We're going to use these to attach the headstone, followed by a 1x2 half round flat tile. We'll place that right there. Next, we're going to take a 1x2 plate. I'm going to place a 1x2 by 2 column brick right on top, followed by a 1x2 plate. I'm going to take a set of 1x1 by 1x2 upwards angular plate, place these here. And then we're going to take a set of 1x1 by 1x2 downwards angular plates, place these on top. We're going to surround this. And to strengthen up the sides, set of 1x4 by 2/3 plate with bow. Gives us a nice rounded contour for the headstone. I'm going to place this right on top of the jumper plates as shown. You could put a memorial placard there if you wish, followed by a 1x2 plate and a 1x4 by 2/3 plate with bow to complete this headstone.